Humsienk sent me those two batteries for a review. I will be using my power station to charge them. They are 12-volt battery, 320 amp hour, 4096 watt hour. You are able to monitor this battery via Bluetooth on your cell phone, and it have a 250 amp BMS. And it looks like you can use this battery in your RV, boat, and cabin. Because my power station is using 24 volt, I had to wire those two batteries in series to make them a 24 volt battery. After that, I made a direct connection in the battery expansion port. I make sure to connect the negative on the left side and the positive on the right side. I have the earlier version of this power station. If you have the newer version, it is running on a 48 volt battery. Right now, only 145 watt is coming from solar. I'm using the AC charger to speed up the process. After connecting those batteries to the power station, the total capacity is just above 10,000 watt hour. If I'm planning to keep those batteries connected to this power station, it would be better to install more solar panels and connect them on the second port. Because with the current solar setup, it looks like it's gonna take multiple days to fully charge all those batteries. Now, let's go to the Humsienk app and click on the first battery. It's currently sitting at 19% at 13.8 volt. And there are two temperature sensors in this battery. The battery is currently charging at 233 watt at 17.8 amp. Let's go to the second battery to compare. The second battery is currently sitting at 16%. The first battery was at 19%. 13.7 volt compared to 13.8 volt, which is really close. Similar temperature. 251 watt is coming in at 19.3 amp. This Bluetooth app is really handy. It is easy to use and it shows me everything that I need. One thing that I would like to see on this battery is a power button connected to the BMS, giving you the ability to turn it on and off. That would be really handy. That's it for this video. I will let the battery fully charge. In the following video, I will be using space heater to see how much power I can pull out of those batteries. If you like this video, you might enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.